Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Fahmi Hafiz bin Azman. My metric number is 300 200. Our group make a company, Jessa. Let me introduce Jessa. Jessa known as a renowned Malaysian food company best known for its Maggi brands. We specialize in producing a wide range of products, including instant noodle, seasoning, and ready-to-eat meal. At, at Jessa, we are deeply committed to delivering quality and sustainability. Our production processes are carefully managed to ensure we consistently improve and provide healthier, tastier food options for Malaysians.
Hi, my name is Nurlana Fadila binti Azid. My metric number is 299705. Okay, let's move to the next part, which is analysis of current production process. Detailed description of current manufacturing process. There are 6 processes, which is the first step is raw material procurement and inspection. The first stage focus on the procurement and inspection of raw material. This involves key materials such as wheat flour, spice, palm oil, and packaging, and also quality control measure, ensuring certified suppliers and halal certification compliance. However, there are some challenges like supply chain delays and variation in raw material quality. To address this issue, we use solutions like anticipatory supply management to ensure steady operation. Move to the next step is dough preparation. The next stage is dough preparation, where large scale mixers combine flour, water, and other ingredients. Some of the challenges include in this, which is mechanical damage to mixers, which can slow production, and dough consistency variation, which can impact the quality. To overcome this, we implement solutions such as regular maintenance of mixers and close supervision of mixing process to ensure consistent result. For the third step is sheet rolling and cutting. The process is dough is rolled into thin sheet and cut into noodles. This causes some challenges like uneven thickness, equipment wear and tear. So for the solution, we can make regular equipment maintenance and monitoring sheet thickness. So for the next step is steaming and shaping. How the process is, noodles are pre-steamed and shaped into blocks, square or round. For the challenges is insufficient steaming, difficulty forming shape. For the solution, monitor steam time and shaping process carefully. So for the fifth step is frying or air drying. Process frying for traditional noodles, air drying for healthier options. For the challenges, prolonged frying, high energy use. For the solution, control temperature and cooking time, optimize energy consumption. For the last step is flavoring and packaging process. For the process, adding flavor and packaging for storage and marketing. For the challenges, overfrying affect texture, high energy cost. For the solution, ensure quality control during flavoring and use efficient packaging. This is the flow chart of manufacturing process. First is raw material procurement and inspection. Second is dough preparation. Third is sheet rolling and cutting. Fourth is steaming and shaping. Fifth is frying or air drying. And the last step is flavoring and packaging. So let's move to the analysis of bottlenecks or inefficiencies. There are 5 things. The first one is variability in raw material quality and suppliers delay. The impact is disrupt supply chain, affect production schedule and consistency. For the solution, we can strengthen supply management and quality control. Second is equipment downtime and mechanical damage. Second is equipment downtime and mechanical damage. For the impact, it can delay production and causes inconsistent output. For the solution, we can improve maintenance practices and regular equipment checks. The third step is high energy consumption, frying or air drying. The impact is it can increase production costs. So for the solution, we can implement energy efficient solution to optimize energy use. So for the fourth step is packaging defects, compromise product integrity and customer satisfaction. For the solution, we can improve packaging quality control and sealing processes. The impact is causes logistic challenges, slower inventory turnover, and also potential delay in order fulfillment. For the solution, we can expand warehouse capacity and optimize inventory management. So let's move to the recommendation for improvement. There are a few things. First is diversify supplier sources. Reduce dependency on a single supplier and use predictive analytics to forecast material shortage. The second is regular equipment maintenance. Implement a scheduled maintenance plan to reduce risk of breakdowns. The third is Energy efficiency. Invest in eco-friendly energy generation and explore alternative frying method or efficient equipment. The fourth is packaging innovation. Use sustainable, high-quality materials to reduce defects and support sustainability initiative. The last one is warehouse management. Implement automated storage and retrieval system to optimize space and speed up logistics.
Alright, so now we'll present about the 3.0 capacity planning. So under the capacity planning, we have the cutting department show a sales increase from 3.45 billion ringgit in 2020 to 3.78 billion in 2021 and also 4.60 billion in 2022. However, raw material grew disproportionately from 249.36 million ringgit in 2020 to 343.77 million ringgit in 2021 and 589.25 million in 2022. And this situation suggests a poor capacity planning as Jesle stockpile material faster than they were utilized, leading to potential wastage. And by 2023 or so, the sales grew to 4.82 billion ringgit, while the raw materials are decreased to 309.68 million ringgit, indicating a better utilization, but they still got a room for improvement in optimizing their capacity. So for the assembly department, it is represented by the work in progress WIP inventory, and the WIP inventory are increased from 30.82 million ringgit in 2020 to 41.34 million ringgit in 2021 alongside a sales increase. In 2022, the WIP growth further to the 68.52 million ringgit while the sales are also rise. So reflecting efficiencies in transitioning the WIP to the finished good and creating the bottlenecks. So by 2023, the WIP dropped to 53.41 million ringgit as the sales also grew, showing a progress in addressing the inefficiency. Through further improvements are needed to minimize the holding cost and optimize the capacity. So now is packing and finishing department, and this department is represented by the finished good inventories, and it is grew from 280.47 million ringgit in 2020 to 314.42 million ringgit in 2021, slightly outpacing the sales growth. And by 2022, the inventory reached 402.24 million ringgit, significantly higher than sales growth, indicating the overproduction and weak distribution planning. And also in year 2023, inventory increased minimally to 402.90 million ringgit, while the sales growth showing the improvement in the inventory management but leaving room for better optimization of the turnover and also the cost reduction.
Thank you, Jung Hong. Hi, my name is Tang Jia Hong, and my normal metric is 298730. And today I will going to talk about the recommendation for adjusting the capacity in each department, which also the inventory management in Gesto. So for cutting department, we can enhance the material forecasting by using the tools like SAP Analytic Cloud to predict the material needs, or we can collaborate with supplier to create a flexible procurement schedule. This ensure a accurate forecasting of material needs. Next will be increase the machine efficiency. We can extend the machine shift during the peak periods to maximize our resources, or we can upgrade our cutting equipment for a better precision and less waste. Last will be implement a just-in-time system. This system ensures to provide materials only when it's needed and minimize the storage cost and avoids overstocking as to prevent the spoilage. Next, for assembly department, we can streamline our workflows by identify the bottlenecks using the value stream mapping, or we can use the tools like Gantt chart to enhance our planning system. Next, we can train our workforce by offering a targeted training to improve the skills and reduce errors. Or besides that, we can introduce a cross-training to help employees handle multiple tasks. Next, utilize the monitoring tool by install a SCADA system to track production performance while monitor the work in process level and throughput rates in real time. This ensures smooth operation and support the better planning. Last but not least, for the packing and finishment department, we can adjust our packing schedule by aligning the schedule with accurate sales forecast. For example, we can add flexibility to manage the seasonal demand spike to maintain a balanced inventory and avoid a storage issues. Next, adopt a demand-driven strategy. We can use the real-time data like point of sale analytic to manage our inventory. This can align the production closely with market demand to support the sustainability by minimize the waste. Next, implement the automated packaging. We can adopt an automated system for faster and more consistent packaging, like using the robotic arms and vision guide system to improve our accuracy, reduce the labor cost, and boost efficiency. Next, I will talk about the current inventory management in Gesto. So currently, Gesto using the first in first out method to prioritize the over inventory. This is vital for perishable goods to prevent waste, and it also ensure a structured stock control and better inventory turnover. Next will be the centralized warehousing. For example, we're using JetStraight as our sourcing hub to reduce the transportation cost and also streamline the logistics. It supports demand consistency and promotes job creation in supply industry. Last but not least, enterprise resources planning system, which is ERP system. For example, our best project based on this system has used the SAP models to manage operation. It covers procurement, production, inventory, and finance. The system handles perishable goods efficiently and ensures a steady supply during the demand spike. But we have faced some current issues within this current system, which is the high inventory level, the inefficiency in inventory forecasting, a high holding cost, and also the potential for waste too. So to overcome those issues, we have recommended some new inventory management, which is the first one, just-in-time method. This system delivers the raw material when it's needed to reduce the storage cost and also minimize our waste. Suppliers can monitor the production schedule in real time to ensure a timely deliveries and better resources efficiency. Next will be the economic order quantity method. This method calculates either order quantity for us and it's balance the ordering and holding costs to maximum the efficiency. By integrating this method into the ERP system, which we has been used before, can automated reorder the points, and this ensure a timely and accurate replenishment. By applying those two inventory management, we can reduce our reliance on high inventory levels and also address those efficiency. Last but not least, data-driven approach. We can use the data analytic to optimize our inventory management. For example, we can collaboration with Coupa for digital transformation. Cloud modeling has improved the demand forecasting and decision making. It's shorter the replenishment time and better safety stock levels are achievable. And this save the cost and improve our supply chain responsiveness. By applying this method, we can have a cost reduction and also enhance the demand forecasting too.
Hi, my name is Arif. Today I represent about quality control for Maggi product for Nestle company. There are 5 total quality management practice in Nestle for Maggi, such as customer focus, continuous improvement, employee involvement, process-oriented approach, and supplier quality management. So, we move to the first point is customer focus. One fundamental aspect of total quality management that customer focus is business decisions are made based on customer expectation and demands. Nestle places its customer at the center of every decision by actively seeking feedback on flavor, appearance and nutritional value. Nestle ensure that Maggi product meets customer expectation. With healthier options like low-fat noodles and flexible pack size, Nestle stay ahead by analyzing sales trends and understanding regional preference. Second is continuous improvement. Maggi is a testament to Nestle commitment to total quality management, driving continuous improvement in goods and service. By adapting to changing consumer tastes and global health trends, Nestle has refined Maggi recipe, reducing oil, salt, and MSG while introducing whole grain and gluten-free option tailored to regional needs. Beyond ingredient, Nestle innovates in packaging using recyclable and biodegradable materials to ensure freshness and quality, even in tough storage conditions. This dedication highlights Nestle promise to meet customer needs while prioritizing environmental sustainability and food quality standard. Third is employee involvement. Nestle uphold high performance standard by empowering and training employees across all levels. Comprehensive program cover food safety law, advancement equipment use, and hygiene practice, ensuring everyone from manufacturing workers to management understand their role in maintaining product quality and industry standard. Nestle also encourage employees to share ideas for process improvement. For example, a worker might suggest a more efficient packing machine to boost productivity and enhance quality. This collaborative approach reflects Nestle's commitment to total quality management, where every employee contribute to continuous improvement, benefiting both the company and its customer. Fourth is process-oriented approach. Display ensures consistent quality in every Maggi product by integrating advanced automation across the entire manufacturing process. From mixing and cooking to packing, automation guarantees uniform taste, texture, and weight, meeting customer expectation every time. With a strict control system, Display identifies critical points such as cooking temperature and packaging cleanliness, while continuous monitoring prevents contamination and imbalance issue before they arise. The seamless blend of automation and stringent oversight reflect Display commitment to producing high quality, safe and flavorful product while maintaining productivity and minimizing risk. Fifth is supplier quality management. Display ensure the finest quality for Maggi product by sourcing premium raw materials like wheat, spices and other essential ingredients. Each material undergoes rigorous testing for safety and purity, meeting Dislay's strict quality standard before entering production. Disley work closely with a supplier, especially farmers, to enhance agriculture practice by promoting eco-friendly method, reducing pesticide use and improving crop quality. Disley supports sustainable farming communities and strengthen the entire supply chain. Through this effort, Disley reaffirms its dedication to delivering high-quality product while fostering sustainability and supplier development.
So let's move to the supply chain management. There are 4 supply chain management functions, which is purchasing, operation, resource management and information workflow. The first is purchasing. Buy material from suppliers by a specific deadline. Use timetable and planning system, and also ensure the right resources are available when needed. Next, we move to the operation. Predict product demand before purchase the raw material. Ensure accurate forecasting to produce enough goods for customer demand. If forecasting is wrong, company will underprice or waste resource. Next is resource management. Good resource management can improve system performance, reduce costs and prevent delays. It helps fulfill market needs with high quality and customer satisfaction. The last one is information workflow. Poor communication or delayed information can disrupt the whole process. Ensure business have the right data to make the right decision. Clear and timely communication can avoid misunderstanding. Business can anticipate problem and keeps operation running smoothly. So let's move to the key function supply chain management for Nestle company. The first one is planning. Predict consumer preferences, seasonal. Predict consumer preferences, seasonality and market trends for Maggi product. Help decide inventory levels and set production targets to meet customer needs. For the inventory management, Nestle ensure the warehouse well stocked to prevent waste. Inventory level maintained appropriately, ensuring satisfaction regarding product quality and delivery issue. For the manufacturing is, Nestle company turn the raw ingredient into finished Maggi noodles through mixing, shaping, steaming, drying and packing with seasoning. Make sure final product delicious and safe for consumption. So let's move to the key function supply chain management for Nestle company. Now let's move to the major supply chain problem faced. The first one is customer service. Perfect supply chain ensure product available and fulfill customer satisfaction and build brand confidence. It can damage brand reputation and harm loyalty. For the risk management, essential to prevent delays and disruption. Maintain strong relationship with supplier to help reduce risk. Third is supplier relationship. Poor communication can lead to the shortage in the manufacturing process. Nestle keeps open communication channel to ensure smooth operation. Last one is cost control. Rising costs can put pressure on profit margin with increased raw material price, labor costs, and transportation expense. Build strong relationship to negotiate low price and manage rising costs.
I would like to explain about the cost and time reduction. In company Yesel, we have 4 ways to minimize cost and time reduction, which is first automation, second standardizes processes, third supplier collaboration, and fourth minimize waste. I would like to explain about automation. In Yesel, we rely on advanced automated machine for mixing, cooking, and packaging. This approach enhances efficiency, reduces labor costs, and minimizes errors. AI sensors are implemented to detect defects, while predictive maintenance prevents unexpected breakdowns, ensuring smooth operation. Second is standardized process, which is in our company. We use this process to maintain consistency and reduce error. We adhere to well-defined standard operation procedure, or we call it SOP. Regular employee training ensure that these processes are followed effectively, improving productivity and minimizing waste. The third way is supplier collaboration, which is we establish strong partnership with supplier to guarantee timely deliveries, secure bulk discount, and reduce inventory costs through vendor manager inventory (VMI). We optimize supply chain management and enhance overall efficiency. And the and the and the fourth is minimizing waste, which is we focusing on five key, which is overproduction, defect, inventory, motion, and energy. So in overproduction, we produce only what is needed by leveraging demand forecasting. For defect, we maintain our equipment and use high quality raw material to prevent error. For inventory, we adapt just in time inventory management to avoid overstocking. Motion, for motion, our factory layout are optimized to save time and reduce unnecessary movement. And for energy, we use energy efficiency machines, incorporate renewable energy sources, and schedule production during off-peak hour to save resources. I would like to explain about the cost and time reduction. In company Yesel, we have
Itself as a leader in Malaysia food and beverage industry, the key challenges faced by Jesle include the disruption from natural calamities, equipment downtime, and energy-intensive operations. Additionally, inefficiency in raw material usage, work in progress inventories, and also the finished good alignment with the market demand have been identified. On the other hand, there are opportunities to leverage the predictive analysis and advanced forecasting tools to improve the planning, and the adopting method like just in time and also the economic order quantity can reduce the waste and also enhance the responsiveness. Investment in energy efficiency, automation, and also the sustainability innovations will further support the growth of the Jesle. So the next is the Jesle strengths include its FIFO inventory system, centralized warehousing, and ERP for effective stock control. The company focus on total quality management, ensures the customer satisfaction, continuous improvement, and supplier quality.